This book completely changed my career path. While majoring in business economics at UCLA, I interned at a private equity firm and was on track for a high-paying finance job that pays $250K including bonuses in the first year. But then I read this book called The Almanack of Naval Ravikant, and it made me rethink everything. Finally, it convinced me to leave that promising career behind and pursue content creation from scratch, from literally zero subscribers. Naval is a successful angel investor in Silicon Valley who built substantial wealth by investing in hundreds of companies, including Uber and Twitter. He told me that trading our time for money will never lead to true financial freedom. Instead, we need to play a completely different game for building wealth. This book has really changed my life, and if achieving financial freedom is also your goal, this book is a must-read. No worries, I have summarized all of the essence of the book into 5 strategies that will teach you how people achieve top 1% financial success in this world, and the exact strategies we can follow to potentially achieve the same result. Let's do it. Strategy 1. Arm yourself with leverage. The very first concept we need to understand is leverage, which is the foundation for everything else in building wealth. Leverage is like a multiplier for your efforts. It's what allows you to achieve more with less. It boosts your abilities and resources to create massive value, which is crucial for building wealth. Naval talks about 3 main types of leverage. Leverage number 1, labor. This is when you get others to help you. For example, if you are running a small business, like a coffee shop, you can only serve a limited number of customers on your own. But if you hire a team, you can serve more customers, expand, and grow your business. Now let's think about why a company hires you in the first place. What's company's profit? A company's profit is the money left after paying all expenses, including employees' salaries. Companies hire people to make more profit. They hire you because you create more value than what they pay you. You are giving up bigger profits for a steady paycheck. This is why owning leverage, instead of working for someone else, is a key to building your own wealth. Leverage number 2, capital. This is using money to make more money. For example, if you invest your savings in real estate, the rental income can cover your mortgage and generate extra profit. This is how your money works for you and grows over time. Investors use capital to build wealth, and this is one of the main reasons why they can get very rich. Leverage number 3, products with no marginal cost of replication. What does it mean? In today's digital world, this is a game changer. Think about creating a YouTube channel. One video can be potentially watched by millions without any extra work on your part. Similarly, writing a blog or creating software can reach a huge audience without more effort. This kind of leverage lets you scale your impact and income so quickly. Using these 3 forms of leverage effectively is the first big step in building wealth that can grow far beyond what you could do by yourself. This is why entrepreneurs, investors, and creators can multiply their efforts and build wealth that's much greater than their direct work. Strategy 2, own equity. Naval explains that owning equity is how you capture and grow the value you create. This is what separates billionaires from others. They own a stake in businesses. So what does owning equity means? Whether it's a company, a business, or even a YouTube channel. When you own equity, you benefit directly from its success. The more business grows, the more your wealth increases without needing to work more hours. Take someone like Jeff Bezos, who owns a massive share of Amazon, or Mark Zuckerberg, who owns a massive share of Meta. As these companies grew into global giants, so did their wealth. You can search it up. They become extremely rich by owning equity in the companies they founded. Or think of Warren Buffett, who buys shares in companies, expecting them to grow in value over time. He has also become super wealthy by owning equity in various good businesses. Naval sums it up this way: arm with your mind, not your time. Real wealth isn't about working more hours. It's about creating and owning assets that can grow over time. This is why just working for a salary, no matter how high it is, won't lead to true financial freedom. You are building someone else's wealth instead of your own. Focus on creating your money-generating machines. Strategy 3, offer society what it wants at scale. The next strategy is offer society what it wants, but doing it at scale. This means finding something people really need or want and delivering it to as many people as possible. Consider Steve Jobs and iPhone. He didn't just create a new phone. He created something that millions of people wanted, if not billions. And he made it available worldwide. Celebrities, athletes, and artists also do well in this area. They offer something that millions of people want, whether it's music, movies, or sports. For example, Taylor Swift's music connects with millions of fans, filling stadiums and topping charts. Lionel Messi offers thrilling soccer performances that captivate fans around the world. These people have mastered the art of creating value at scale. They offer experiences that resonate with a large audience, and because of the scale at which they operate, they can build significant wealth. The key is that they've found a way to offer their talents and creations to a global audience. The bigger the scale, the bigger potential for wealth. Think of your income as a society's way of saying thank you for the total value you've created. The more people you impact, the bigger that thank you becomes. If you can create value for millions of people and you own a piece of it, you are on the path to significant wealth. Strategy 4. Master specific knowledge by being authentic. The strategy number 4 is mastering specific knowledge and applying it authentically. Specific knowledge is a unique set of skills or expertise only you have, something that can't easily taught or replaced. This knowledge often comes from doing what genuinely interests you, rather than following trends. When you work on something you are truly passionate about. For example, Warren Buffett is a master at investing, knowing how to pick the right business to make money. Elon Musk is a disruptor in technology, creating electric cars and sending rockets to space. They are all truly passionate about what they do, driven by genuine interests. Neville says you can avoid a competition by being authentic, because no one else can be you. Align your unique skills and passions with what society wants. In today's world where leverage is everywhere, being authentic and mastering your specific knowledge makes you irreplaceable and sets you up for great success. This is how you can create value that others can't easily copy, making you the top 1%. Strategy 5. Be the best in the world at what you do. Finally, the last strategy is being the best in the world at what you do. In today's world, the top performer in almost any field, whether you're an athlete, an artist, or a comedian, or a content creator. Think about Olympic gold medalists. The difference in rewards between a gold and silver medalist can be huge. The gold medalist often gets much more recognition and opportunities, including sponsorship, which may not be available to those who are just slightly behind. Being the best in the world also means taking full responsibility for your work and putting your name on the line. This level of mastery and responsibility brings in much greater rewards. If you start a YouTube channel and become the best in your niche, whether it's live streaming, gaming, comedy, vlogging, or cooking, your potential return is phenomenal because people trust your name, your brand. These 5 strategies from Naval Ravikant provide a powerful roadmap to building real, lasting wealth. Start by leveraging your efforts, owning equity, offer what society wants at scale, master specific knowledge by being authentic, and be the best in the world at what you do. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more future content like this. I'll see you in the next video.